Evening, everybody. Tori with Soper Firearms Training with you again. I got a little bit of a different video for you today. Not much shooting going on today. Maybe tomorrow or something, I don't know. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a target stand fairly cheap, or what used to be fairly cheap, out of nothing but PVC. Pre-COVID, it was 25 bucks to make this stand. Today, I had to buy an extra piece of PVC because I'm making a wider stand, but it was about 50 bucks to make this stand. So you gotta take that for what it is at this point. Hopefully prices on products will come down and we can get back to normal or something, I don't know. But anyway, so this is a fairly simple build, super lightweight, easy to replace. So what you need here, I'll see if I can put the camera down here and show you. So what you need here is basically one stick of Schedule 40 1.5 by 10 foot PVC pipe. You need 2 dust caps, 4 T's, and 2 90-degree elbows, and that's it. Now if you want, you can get some glue and you can glue them together. I've quit doing that simply because I don't see the point, and yeah, let's move this back up here. Really, paper targets, how heavy are they? I mean, what are we trying to hold, right? So I've quit gluing them, and I've got 3 or 4 of them where, you know, that glue tightens it sets up real fast, so they're crooked. But anyway, so what I'm going to do today with mine, I've got to make a little bit longer one, or a little bit wider one, that is, for a target that I use. My students have to qualify on a full-size silhouette target, which is 35 inches wide. So I'm going to make one target. That's why I've got the 2 10-foot sticks there. It's going to take a little more. So I need 2 pieces at 32 inches, if I did the math right and if I'm understanding things correctly. And then I need 4 pieces at 15 inches. And then you're going to need two pieces that are 4 inches, and then 2 more that are it doesn't really matter. That's what your wood posts are going to go in. Well, that's probably another thing you need. I didn't buy any because I already had some. I used the 1x2 furring strips. They slide right inside this 1.5 PVC. Again, they're lightweight. I've been on classes where their stands are made out of 2x4s or angle iron, the bases of them anyway, and they're just super heavy. I can't leave my targets on my range, so these are real great because they're lightweight and I can tear them apart. I can take, I'm getting tongue twisted. So they pack up real easy. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you guys with all the cutting, but I wanted to let you know. And then at the end of the video, I'll put up a page showing what pieces you need, how much they cost me for this one, what your lengths are going to be and all that. And there goes Mr. George. Poor dog, sick as can be. Anyway, so I'm going to start getting this cut, and then we'll come back and I will show you how to get it all put together. Be right back. Okay, well, we got all the cutting done. So now we'll show you how to put it together here. Little rubber mallet just in case. And like I said, I used to glue these, but I just don't see the point anymore. Like I said, paper targets, they're not heavy. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 90s and get them on one of these, and I'm going to lay it down, try to get that as straight as possible. I don't know what all you can see. I got a lot to learn on this video stuff yet, but we're getting there. All right, so that's pretty straight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of these, dog hair everywhere, 2 of the 15s, and we'll tap those in. All right. Then I'm going to take one of my tees. Well, two of my tees, actually. And we'll get those on. We'll try to get them as straight as I possibly can. That's going to be the beauty of them not being glued. I can, if they're not perfect or if they're not sitting right, I can move them a little bit. So there's that tee, and then we're going to take the two 4-inch pieces, and they're going to go in here. Then we're going to take our other two tees, and these are going to go on this way so you can put a cross member in. And actually, I probably ought to do that first. So let's put that on there. This is the other 32-inch piece. I cannot believe I am out of breath. I am just out of shape. So we've got that. So we'll put these on. All right, and then we got, all right, two more 15s here. We'll get that on. We'll get that on. And looking at this, these 4-inch pieces here, I might actually shorten up a little bit next time and maybe do a 3-inch piece. All right, so then you take your clean out caps or your dust covers. Hi, Gracie. What are you doing, sweetheart? I know, you're drooling all over me. You're drooling all over me. No, I don't want to play right now. I know. I know. Hey, I know. I'm busy. I know. All right. So the nice thing about having the caps on there is, say you do have a windy day, you can throw some water in here, throw some sand in here, whatever the case may be, and you can weight it down a little bit. All right, now we've got these risers in here. Let's see if I can kind of turn this around a little bit. So there we have it. Let me go grab some fur strips and I'll put them on. I'll get a target on here, and you can't see nothing other than the dog. Oh, there's Jack. So anyway, whew. Okay, so yep, it's time for me to get back to the gym. Anyway, so I'm gonna get some, I'll go get some fur strips and I'll put a target on here, get it all together and show you what it looks like. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, well, there you have it. We did have a little bit of a math issue. I knew I would. Academics is not my thing. 32 inches was too short. I don't know how to do all the math, but we got it fixed. So my wide ones, my width is 33 inches on my width, and the rest is still 15. That's just that. But anyway, but you could do that anyway. If you're just using the IDPA cardboard or whatever, I think they're 16 inches, I think, if I remember right. So you cut them down to get that going on. But anyway, there it is. And typically, if I'm doing a class, I'll have a backer on there, and the wind won't mess with it so much. But anyway, there you have it. That is what used to be a fairly cheap PVC target. Like I say, easy to make. Once you got the math figured out, they fly right together. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you made it through the whole thing. That was kind of crazy. A lot of ums. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to do some more reviews. I'm going to do some more stuff like this along with the shooting. So let me know what you think. Give me a comment. I appreciate you. Have a good evening.